My name is Reinhart, and I'm a contestant in the 2025 robotics competition. I'm in Year 6 and I'm 12 years old. I go to Regina Tralee Catholic Primary School. My game is about scratch cats running from an earthquake and building an earthquake-proof structure. Everyone knows the devastation of an earthquake. These cats are running away from an earthquake. This game was originally made to raise awareness about earthquake-proof structures. Inside the hay house, the 4 cats are discussing how they will build their earthquake-proof structure. One cat says that we need to choose an appropriate material, base, and height of our building. Now, he asks us what we will use for our material. I chose metal. Here it is asking us for our foundation. Now you're probably wondering, what if we don't put in an answer as shown? Well, good question. If you don't, it will say, please choose from the available options and bring you back to the question. Afterwards, the building will appear and start to shake. If you wait a few seconds, then it will show whether the building survived or not. Now, it brings you to a new screen with a button saying next level. If you press the next level button, it will bring you to another screen with the same questions. This will go on until level 7. If you complete level 7, you'll go into a phase called God mode. In God mode, your magnitudes will be extremely hard, being from magnitude 8 to magnitude 10. In God mode, you need to choose your materials wisely and watch out for your gold. In my code, I have 8 different sprites. Here I have my first cat, the cat that runs away from the earthquake. All the cats are actually clones, as shown here. These are my blocks, showing where the clones will appear. Here, it shows when I start as a clone, it will run towards the other side. And here is the trigger to change it to the hay house. In my second cat, I have this is just a cat that appears in the hay house. This is one of the cats that says there needs to be a way to create an earthquake-proof shelter, and then broadcasts a message. This will go straight to cat C, which will receive it, say a sentence, and broadcast another message. This will go to this cat. This cat asks all the questions, whether it's the height, the foundation, or the material. All this code will keep on going until you reach level 7. After you complete level 7, it will say something that says, entering God mode for 2 seconds. This is a setting. It will stop all sounds and hide all the lists when the green button is clicked. Here is the shake animation for the building. And here is an algorithm that I figured out that will most likely be what causes a building to withstand an earthquake or not. Here I have a play again button. This only appears if you lose the game. If you lose the game, this will appear, and if you press it, it'll bring you straight back to the first level. If you press stop the game, which is the second button, when you lose, it'll stop everything. And this next level button is the button that brings you towards the next level. Thank you.